Extremely dangerous SVR. EDS SVR. Oh my god. Extremely dangerous situation.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Houghton County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Camden County, Mercer County, northwestern Burlington County, southern Somerset County, southwestern Monmouth County, Middlesex County, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 12:45 p.m. At 11:57 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Ferndale to near Trout to near Honey Brook, moving east at 90 miles per hour.
It's not even...
These are very dangerous storms. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Reading Airport measured an earlier wind gust of 83 miles per hour with these storms. Numerous reports of wind damage have been received.
It's not even noon yet.
Radar indicated. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Trenton, Camden, New Brunswick, Westchester, Gloucester City, Somerset, Cherry Hill, Old Bridge, Bensalem, East Brunswick, Evesham, South Brunswick, Sayreville, Mount Laurel, North Brunswick, Ewing, Norristown, Willingboro, and Medford. This includes the following highways: Garden State Parkway between mile markers 123 and 126, Interstate 195